Have you heard of Kira Nexus, ticker KLAI? If not, buckle up, because this might be one of the most hyped and game-changing projects of 2025. Right now, the crypto space is exploding with AI integrations, blockchain innovations, and new narratives. But Kira Nexus isn't just another random pre-sale project. It's positioning itself as the fusion point between AI, gaming, and blockchain ecosystems. And here's the kicker. It's not just hype. There's already strong community momentum, early pre-sale traction, and whispers that major influencers are eyeing this one as the next big X100 opportunity. So what exactly is Kira Nexus? Imagine a network where AI-powered systems manage gaming economies, NFTs, and cross-platform assets, while blockchain secures ownership and transparency. That means gamers can interact with intelligent, evolving environments that adapt in real time, while investors can leverage the same infrastructure for DeFi and asset management. The vision is massive: to become the AI-driven meta hub for Web3. Now, why is this blowing up on socials? Because Kira Nexus is not just promising a token, it's promising an ecosystem. They're talking about creating bridges between gaming, AI-assisted finance, and decentralized applications. Think about it. We've seen how Axie Infinity created a billion-dollar economy just with play to earn. Imagine what happens when you inject AI logic, NFT scalability, and multi-chain support into that formula. You're basically looking at the evolution of GameFi into something smarter, more sustainable, and more addictive. But here's the most viral part. Kira Nexus isn't flying under the radar anymore. Crypto Twitter, Telegram groups, and TikTok influencers are already buzzing about KLAI. The pre-sale is catching momentum, and those who got in early are already bragging about how this could be the next Solana-style run. Remember how nobody took Solana seriously at 0.20 and then it skyrocketed? That's the vibe right now with KLAI, and trust me, nobody wants to be the person who ignored it and watched others make generational wealth. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what Kira Nexus is, why it's hyped, the tokenomics, and whether it's worth your attention. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll see why people are calling KLAI the hidden gem of 2025. All right, let's dive deeper into what makes Kira Nexus different from all the other so-called AI crypto projects. Everyone wants to slap AI on their token right now, but most of them are just marketing buzzwords with no substance. Kira Nexus is actually building something more integrated and usable. The core idea is creating an AI-layered environment where smart contracts are not static but adaptive. That means they can optimize game mechanics, adjust liquidity pools, or even rebalance NFT rewards based on real-time data. Imagine DeFi protocols that actually learn from market behavior instead of just being coded and forgotten. That's next level. Now let's talk tokenomics. The KLAI token isn't just for speculation. It's built to fuel the entire ecosystem. Holders can stake it, use it in governance, unlock AI-powered gaming features, and participate in cross-chain economies. And here's what creates FOMO. The pre-sale supply is limited. Once it's gone, it's gone. And you know what happens when hype builds and demand exceeds supply. We've seen this with countless projects before. Early investors get rewarded, while latecomers scramble to buy at higher prices. Classic crypto cycle, but with AI and GameFi momentum fueling it. Another reason KLAI is catching so much attention is the community building strategy. The team is heavily focused on viral marketing, partnerships with gaming guilds, and onboarding influencers across YouTube, TikTok, and X. They're not just aiming at investors, they're going after gamers, streamers, and AI enthusiasts. This multi-audience approach is a big deal, because instead of fighting for the same small pool of crypto degens, Kira Nexus is trying to expand the market. They want millions of gamers and tech fans to step into Web3 through their platform. And that's how real adoption happens. Think about how much hype there was around Sandbox and Decentraland. People spent millions on virtual land just because of FOMO. Now, imagine an AI-powered version of that, where the game evolves, the economy is smarter, and assets can move cross-chain. That's the type of next-gen vision Kira Nexus is selling. And if they pull it off, it could reshape both crypto and gaming industries. But here's the wild card. The team hasn't fully revealed all of their partnerships yet. And we all know what happens when a project suddenly drops big partnership news. It sends shockwaves. Could be with a gaming studio, an AI company, or even a blockchain giant. The mystery itself is creating hype, and people are piling in because they don't want to miss the announcement. Now let's talk potential upside. And of course, the risks. Every project has risks, and Kira Nexus is no exception. It's still in early stages, meaning the roadmap isn't fully executed yet. Presale projects always carry uncertainty. Some launch big, some flop. But what sets KLAI apart is the momentum plus narrative combo. The AI plus GameFi plus cross-chain narrative is huge right now. Narratives are what drive hype cycles in crypto, and Kira Nexus is perfectly aligned with the hottest ones. So, how high could KLAI go? Obviously, nobody can predict exact numbers. But here's what we do know. Early presale buyers are getting in at fractions of a cent. If KLAI launches strong on DEX and CX, and if hype keeps spreading, we could see a multiplier effect similar to projects like Gala Games, Axie Infinity, or even Render. Those tokens went from nothing to billions in market cap once adoption caught fire. Even a modest run could mean a 20x, 50x, or 100x. That's why people are saying this might be one of the most asymmetric bets of 2025. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The project isn't just about speculation. They're aiming for long-term sustainability with staking, revenue sharing, and AI-driven asset management. That's important because it gives the token utility beyond hype. Tokens that actually get used, staked, and locked up tend to survive longer than pure meme coins. That doesn't mean it's risk-free, but it does mean the foundation is stronger than a lot of other presale plays out there. So should you ape into Kira Nexus right now? That's up to you. This is not financial advice, and always do your own research. But what I can say is this. The buzz around KLAI is real, the presale is heating up, and the narrative couldn't be more perfectly timed. AI and crypto are colliding in ways we've never seen before, and Kira Nexus wants to be at the center of it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into hidden gems, and drop a comment if you think KLAI is the next 100x project. And hey, if you're already in the presale, flex your bag in the comments. Let's see how many early Kira Nexus believers are here. This might just be the AI-powered moonshot everyone's been waiting for. Don't say I didn't warn you when KLAI blows up the charts.